as indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate. Bitcoin cash cost will hit $400 toward the finish of 2024 and jabber 500 freedom toward the finish of 2025. Bitcoin Cash will ascend to $800 inside the extended period of 2026, $1,000 in 2029, $1,200 Gibber in 2030, and $1,500 in 2034. Gibber Cash Value Forecast 2024 to 2025. Bitcoin Gibber cost began in 2024 at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $412.12, so the cost expanded by Gibber 9% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is $539, and the year-to-year change plus 108 Gibber. The Gibber from today to year-end, plus 31%. In the principal half of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will move to $564. In the final part, the cost would add $169 and close the year at $733, which is jabber 78% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Gibber expectation 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring in Gibber Bitcoin cash cost would move from $733 to $1,372, which is up 87%. Bitcoin Gibber will begin 2026 at $733, then, at that point, take off to $859 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $910. That implies plus 121 Gibber from today. Bitcoin Gibber forecast 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Bitcoin cash cost would ascend from $1,372 jabber to $1,988, which is plus 45%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $1,372. Then, at that point, take off to $1,460 jabber inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1,526. It is about plus 270 Gibber from today. July Gibber 2024. Gibber Cash Value Forecast 2024 to 2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at 259 Gibber 70 cents. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $300 jabber $9.51, so the cost expanded by half from the outset of the year. The Guaj Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is $628, and the year-to-year change plus 100 Gibber 2%. The ascent from today to year-end, Gibber 61%. In the main portion of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will move to $663. In the final part, the cost would add $100 Gibber 9 and close the year at $862, which is plus 121% to the ongoing cost. Ointment Gibber Forecast 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring a reduction. Gibber cash cost would move from $862 to $788, which is 9%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2026 at $862, then take off to $912 jabber inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $862. That implies Gibber 121% from today. Gibber Cash expectation 2031 to 20 applesauce 5. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $788 jabber to $1,161, which is plus 47%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $788, then, at that point, take off to $839 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $800 Gibber $9. It is about plus 128 Gibber from today. Gibber 1st 2024. Gibber Cash Value Forecast 2024 to 2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at $259 Gibber cents. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $392.16 jabber, so the cost expanded by 51% from the start of the year. The estimated Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is $600 Gibber dollars, and the year-to-year change plus 154%. The ascent from today to year-end, Gibber 68%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will move to $697. In the final part, the cost would add $209 and close the year at $906, which is plus 131% to the jabber cost. Gibber Cash Forecast 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring a reduction. Gibber Cash cost would move from $906 to $828, which is 9%. Jibber Cash will begin 2026 at $906. Then, at that point, take off to $959 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $906. That Jibber plus 131% from today. Bitcoin Cash Jibber 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from 828 Jabber to $219, which is plus 47%. Jibber Cash will begin 2031 at $828. Then, at that point, take off to $881 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $934. It is about plus 138 Jibber from today. June Jibber 2024. Jibber Cash Value Forecast 2024 to 2025. Bitcoin Jibber cost began in 2024 at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $424.92, so the cost expanded by 64 Jibber from the very start of the year. The determined Jibber Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is $673, and the year-to-year change plus 159%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jibber 58%. In 2024, we hope to see $400 Jabber 4 per 1 Bitcoin Cash. In the principal half of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will move to $789. In the last part, the cost would add $47 and close the year at $800 Jibber 6, which is plus 97% to the ongoing cost. Jibber Cash expectation 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Jibber Cash cost would move from $836 to $1,468, which is up 76%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2026 at $836, then take off to 986 Jabber inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1,064. That implies plus 100 Jibber % from today. Bitcoin Jibber expectation 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would jabber from $1,468 to $1,925, which is plus 31%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 20 Jibber 1 at $1,468, then take off to $1,548 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1,635. It is about plus 285 Jibber from today. Jibber First 2024. Jibber Cash Value Forecast 2024 to 2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at $200 and Jibber $9.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash jabber at $459.91, so the cost expanded by 77% from the start of the year. The Guaj Bitcoin Jibber cost toward the finish of 2024 is $677, and the year-to-year change